It's your girl Damo, and I'm back to bring you guys another unboxing, so make sure you guys stick around. So as you guys know from the title of the video, this is a Telfar unboxing, and I was super excited. Ooh, I don't want to show you guys my address, but I was super excited to be able to snag this bag. This is one of the bags that I wanted for a while. When I seen this colorway release, I was like, yeah, that's a dope colorway, I want that bag. So it was maybe last week or 2 weeks ago, the bag I saw they were going to have it on sale. It was a Monday, and I just hopped on. I hopped on early, and I was able to get the bag within like 2 minutes, so it wasn't that hard to get it. But I just can't wait to see what it looks like, because I have a couple pairs of sneakers that I definitely want to wear with this bag. So this is what the bag looks like. Let me see. So I got the small shopping bag, and I paid retail price, which is $150 for it. And this is what it, and this is how the bag came packaged. So it's in a Telfar plastic zip bag, which is cool, keeps the bag protected. And then you also get the Telfar dust bag, which is cool. And to the thing that I always wanted, yo, this bag is so pretty. But let me take it out. Baby, this bag is giving. This bag is so fire. I love this colorway. This colorway is so pretty. Okay, so they do have the straps like Velcro tied together, and they have this piece around it. Let me cut this off. Okay, so yeah, and it also has the tag on it, and this just says Azalea Small Shopping Bag, and it has the Telfar information on it. So y'all know it's real. Don't be trying to come for my neck. Let me stop. But this is how big the bag is. Ooh, it got a lot of strings. Lord, look at the string. Look at the string. But this is how big the bag is. I wish I would have took it out before I did this video. Let me try to fluff it out so it'll have a little bit of shape. So this is what the color of the bag looks like. This bag is so cute. It's so cute. I love this bag. So this bag, it's kind of small, but I'm not that big. I'm kind of small, so I figured I would get the smallest bag that they have, because the largest one, it's definitely too big for me. That's more so of a school or a work bag or something along those lines, so that was out of it. The medium is cool, but it still was kind of a little bit too big for my liking, so I decided to go with the smallest bag that they have, which is super cute. This is so cute. Also, with small bags, you tend to not carry all the unnecessary stuff that you would normally carry if you have a bigger bag, so that's why I chose this one. But this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna see. The most important thing that I carry at all times is my phone, so I'm gonna see if my phone can fit, and if my phone can fit, it's a go, because everything else is money, cards, lip gloss, that's about it, keys, that's about it. So if my phone could fit in this, it's a go, it's lit. I love it. And just for reference, the sizing of my phone is a Samsung Galaxy 22, but this is the Plus, so it's the bigger one. So let's see if my phone fit. Come on, come on. I hope my phone fits in this little bag. Baby, it's a struggle. Oh no. Aw, this kind of sucks. Hold on, let me see if I could stretch it out and try to squeeze this thing in. Okay. All right. So it's a kind of stretch that my phone actually fits in here. Like, let me show you guys. Like, it's like barely making it into this bag, but with my phone in the bag, it's kind of like giving it some shape. So it'll like help the bag to be, no, it might not. Yeah, it's a struggle. It's definitely a struggle for my phone to fit in, but your phone could definitely fit in the bag if it's like that. But I don't care. I don't care. This bag is so cute. So now I finally have a Bushwick Birkin, which is a Telfar. So I might, if I do get another one, then I might get the medium, being that my phone can't really fit in this bag. So I might go back and get a medium. There's another color that I want from Telfar, but I can't think of the name off top. But I might go back and get the medium, being that, you know, it's a little bit tight on my phone. But other than that, I freaking love this bag. But let me get to the other thing. So that's the unboxing of the bag, and specifically I got this bag to match a pair of ones that I have. Like, I never wore these ones. They've been sitting in a box for like a couple of years, so I just want to see if this bag would be like a match for my ones, because I think it would be a cute, like, I have a cute outfit in my head that I want to wear with this bag and those sneakers. So I just want to see if it'll be a fit for those. So I got the sneakers right here. As I said, they're a pair of Air Jordan 1s, and these are the Serena Williams ones. And looking at them, it's a little bit off. Like, the pinks are definitely different. Like, if you could see it, the pinks are definitely not the same pink, so I probably wouldn't be wearing these together. They're not, yeah, this is more of a blue base pink, and these are like a hot pink, so wah, wah, wah. But I do have another pair, well, two other pairs. I have my Huaraches, and I have a pair of Adidas that probably would be a good fit for these. So either way, I'm still happy that I have it, because this colorway is super cute, and it's summertime, and you know, summertime is off the colors. So this bag is giving what I wanted it to give, and I can't wait to wear it. So I'm super happy that I was able to pick this up. So again, this is the Telfar mini, wait, is it the mini? Small, sorry. This is the Telfar Small Shopping Bag, and it's in the color Azalea. And I just love it. It's so cute. Oh, and you guys, yes, it does. It has the snap closure in it. The magnetic snap. So you can close up your bag. Because I know a lot of people were saying it didn't have like a closure on the inside. But it actually does. But okay. Moving right along. But yes, this is what the bag looks like. And I'm super happy with the purchase. So can't wait to rock this for the summer. So yeah. So that's it for my Telfar unboxing. So thank you guys for joining me in the video. Before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. So as always,